HMC is the largest hospital in the country, hence making any renovation or expansion work not an easy task. To the people of Doha, Hamad Hospital is like the heart to the human body. Therefore, we will focus all our attention on carrying out the expansion works of the pediatric and emergency clinic, while the clinic performance is virtually unaffected and its daily operation runs as usual on normal days. As you can see from the attached diagram, we take into consideration the limited space and proximity to the medical care facilities as the two most important elements. To achieve the usual operation while a major expansion and development project is ongoing, we undertake to carry out a number of vital steps. Initially, we will establish and ensure that lines of communication with the hospital management are constantly open to keep a close watch of our performance and receive any comments on whether it has any major impact on the daily running of the hospital. Giving particular attention to the utilities, which include energy, water, gas, and other vital medical services, and keeping their supply lines safe, protected, and running smoothly to ensure they are maintained and guarded against any possible hazards, accidents, or malfunctions caused by the ongoing works. There will be a permanent execution subcontractor available on site for any immediate isolation ward required inside the existing buildings during the construction work. We will maintain proper access for the patients and staff around the clock. The usual current entrance for patients, staff, and ambulance will remain exclusively for them, while another entrance and exit will be opened at the opposite west side of the complex for the contractor's vehicles, trucks, and personnel. Entry and exit points as well as vehicle routes will be clearly defined and marked during the entire construction process. The contractor will not use, obstruct, or hinder access to the patient and staff entrance and flow of movement. During all stages of construction, a minimum number of 80 parking spaces would be reserved for patients and staff. The movement of the ambulance or other emergency vehicles will not be affected, and the erected fence will not block fire and emergency exits. Contractor site offices, lay-down areas, toilets, storage, and labor rest areas are located away from the clinic and beside the construction area. Fence is erected about 3 meters away from the curbstone to allow enough space for pedestrians at the northern side of the project. These steps are to guarantee the successful completion of the expansion of the clinic without any interruption, disturbance, or obstruction of all the usual medical services offered.